Hey guys, welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the November 2022 Bargain Bead Box. And the theme for this month is Holiday Cheer. And the description reads as follows. As the holiday season approaches, we've blended classic green, red, and gold tones for a celebratory collection packed with gemstones and crystals. Highlights include a hand-wrapped quartz pendant, green quartz round beads, gold accented dolomite, and faceted quartz rondelles, along with festive crystals and handmade cloisonne rounds. Gold finished brass and stainless steel findings complete the set.
Hi guys, this is Rose. And number one is
Number one is an approximate 15-inch strand of 8mm green quartz round beads, permanently dyed gemstone.
and they are stunning. The green is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is so nice. And this is the length that they always put just in case you want to make like a simple necklace. But I'm going to try to do something different with this. You will see at the end. And number two is
Number two, 37.5mm gold finished steel filigree bead caps.
and these bead caps are very, very, very thin and very, very fragile, like very, very fragile. But the details are nice. They're very nice. They're very, very, very fragile. And number three is
Number three is an approximate 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads, coral red in color.
beautiful. It's like a wine color. It is stunning. And I'm gonna try to do something else with this too. Hopefully it comes out. Number four is
Number four is an approximate 8.5-inch adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord, red gold in color.
wow. This is so cool. This is the first time we have something like this. It is very pretty. I'm pretty sure they add something that we can attach to the ends. I will let you know and show it to you at the end. And number five is
Number five, two 32 by 26mm gold finished brass textured diamond pendants.
nice. The metals this times are like a little flimsy, a little bit like thin. Not flimsy, but thin. Very, very fragile, very delicate. Very delicate, but beautiful. Very stunning. I love the cuts on that metal. I love them. These are gonna be earrings, I'm pretty sure. And number six is
Number six, two sets of 18.5 by 13mm stainless steel hypoallergenic toggle clasps, gold in color.
and these are very, very nice. They're simple metal, like simple cut, clean looking, like a medium size, not too small, not too big. Very pretty, very pretty. Number seven is
Number seven is a 13.5-inch strand of 4 by 3mm faceted multicolor quartz rondelles, permanently dyed gemstone.
It is beautiful. Look at those combinations of colors. They're very pretty. You can make a choker with this amount, or you can just add it to something else on the collection and make a beautiful necklace. Very simple. The colors are like different, but they're very, very nice. And number eight is
Number eight, five 10mm handmade cloisonne enamel and brass floral round beads.
wow. These scream Christmas. Very pretty. Look at the details. The details are stunning. Look at that flower. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Number 9 is
Number 9, 5 10 millimeter crystal faceted barrel beads, color red.
red is my favorite color. It is so pretty and the barrels are very nice. The shape of this barrel is different from anything else. Like this one was for last month and they're really different, but very pretty. Number 10 is
Number 10 is an approximate 11-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal cube beads, green shimmer.
wow. Look at that green. That green is stunning. And I love cube beads. They're like very different, very pretty. That will make a beautiful bracelet or necklace. And number 11 is
Number 11, a 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter mountain jade dolomite rounds, green gold in color, permanently dyed gemstone.
wow. This is beautiful. It had gold on it and it's very pretty, very, very pretty, very nice. I love them. Very pretty. Number 12 is
Number 12 is a 19 by 12.5 millimeter golden brass snowflake link with cubic zirconia accents.
wow. Look at that. That snowflake is very pretty. It's only designed for like it has stones on only one side, and it is very beautiful. And this item they put it so you can attach it to these. I'm not gonna do that, but this can be attached to this one and make a beautiful simple necklace. I mean, sorry, bracelet. And number 13 is
Number 13 is a 10-piece strand of 9 millimeter faceted diagonal cube crystal beads, red in color.
look at that. This is the red that I love. It is not red. Red is like a wine in color and it's so rich and beautiful. I love it. Number 14 is
Number 14 is 14 4 by 3.5 millimeter gold finished solid brass spacer beads.
and these beads are beautiful. The hole is right there. It's pretty decent. They are metal. They're heavy. They had a weight to it, and they're very pretty. And number 15 is
Number 15 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads, red gold in color.
look at that. Look at that. It is so beautiful. Last month they have one that was very, very tiny and it have like that gold color in it. And this time they have the big ones. And this is red. It is beautiful. I'm gonna try to do something different with that too. Number 16 is
Number 16 is a 35 by 25 millimeter quartz and 18 karat gold plated copper wrapped donut, permanently dyed gemstone.
wow, look at that. It is so beautiful. It is so pretty. And this you can also attach to this one. And I probably do this. I love them together. It is so nice. And number 17 is
And number 17 is a 40 millimeter enameled geometric medallion pendant, red gold in color.
wow. Look the details on that medallion. The details are stunning. They're very, very pretty. And it is flat in the back. And the design is in the front. And it have red inside, or like a wine color more. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful to have.
So these are all the items in the November 2022 Bargain Bead Box. Guys, if you enjoy watching these videos, please make sure you hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. And if you're new to the EsmeraleesCreations channel, make sure you subscribe down below. It's free. And don't forget to click that bell to be notified when we post a new video. And stick around because after the shoutouts, we will be showing a few of the jewelry we created using these same items. Today we want to take this time to send a shout out to Becky Adams and Kathy McGahey, and also to all of you who have subscribed to our channel and to all the ones who have commented on our videos. We really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for your support. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and feel free to leave comments down below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.